What's up, y'all? We're about to take the old girl, the 69 180, down to a semi-secret little grass strip called Ste Genevieve. So we're at the St. Louis downtown airport on the Illinois side, and we're gonna jam down the Mississippi River, just a few miles, about 20 minutes, and we're gonna check out this 1,500-foot grass strip that's next to one of the oldest settlements west of the Mississippi here in the United States. So cool little spot, and we'll see what we can find out about this 180 and what makes it special. So come along for the ride. Well, here's the cockpit of the old 69 180H model. You can see it's basically the original Swiss clock shop. We got a old ADF, 1Com, old school King 76 transponder. The ADS tail beacon, we do have a little panel mount handheld GPS. 520 in this thing, P-Pont conversion, 300 horsepower. But everything is basically all original paint, interior as far as I know, and we're gonna see how good and light she flies.
Niner 1430 downtown tower, runway 23, clear for takeoff, proceed southbound 12507.
Clear, clear takeoff on runway 23, proceed southbound 91430. Alright, we're jamming. We're taking off on runway 23 here at CPS.
Runway 30 left,
it's fairly short from the pavement, 2,500 or 2,700 feet off top of my head. See what the old girl will do off pavement. Most important thing is to go straight in these tail wheels. Wait for that tail to come up. Level. These are off. Straight ahead. Now we start climbing. Use a little right rudder. And climbing out about 70. 5. 4 in the nose. Flaps 10. Positive rate.
Good afternoon, Piper 151 Delta
Little tramp.
Holding short 30 left, ready for takeoff.
Roll that prop back to 2,500.
Delta Lima downtown tower, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff, left turn out south approved, traffic, helicopter, landing runway.
Yeah, we're going to climb straight out.
That's your runway for you.
Top of the green in about 24.
Takeoff 30 left, and we'll left turn out to the south. Keep an eye out for that helicopter 151 Delta Lima.
Alright, we're just about 3 minutes out. We're jamming out, getting ready to turn over the Mississippi, and going to make kind of a cool approach into the airport. And there's a few planes coming out here for this fly-in, so we want to see if we can raise everybody up. Hey, St. Gen traffic, this is Skywagon 91430. We're about 5 miles north and east inbound for landing. Just curious what runway y'all are using. They don't have a published frequency, but we're using 22.9, which is usually the backcountry frequency. And we're coming up here on the Mississippi and a couple quarries and a few tugboats. 369 Kilo Alpha, you guys on frequency?
Yes, sir.
You guys landing southeast?
Yeah.
Okay, 91430, we are about 2 miles here to the north over the river, and we're heading in for a landing.
I got you in, sir. We're heading up north.
Okay, people landing, I got you in sight. It looks like a second airplane behind you. You guys continue north or staying in the pattern?
Just gonna do real quick descent and then take off for the north.
Okay, winds out of the north?
Yeah, the RV4 is going to make a low pass over the runway, and then we'll be out of your way.
Okay, I got somebody over the river in sight, and 91430 is behind you.
I'm waiting for another.
Okay, I'm going to keep you inside, stay behind you. Lights, fuel, traffic in sight. Laps 10. And the runway's in sight. It's off the right-hand wing.
I want to get some altitude before I cross the river.
And one gun guy on short final. Okay, 91430 is turning right base. We got the traffic on final in sight. This is really a cool little strip.
Yeah, traffic 9 kilowatt for departing pattern.
You can walk right into town, or you can ride a one-wheel or a bike. Not too difficult, 1,600 feet. We want to be on power, we want to be on speed. Be stabilized. We're coming in. We're pretty fast right now, about 70. I'm going to start slowing it down now that we're here short final. So we're going to come down. We're going to approach about 60 or a little less. Stops to go. Might hear the stall horn warning chirp. There's about 60. Power's coming in. A little crosswind from the right, so I don't want to get crazy short. I want to mix crosswinds and try to land like a rock star. I want to keep that tail flying. I want to make sure I got aileron authority. Kind of making a nice, good landing. Really no braking action even required there. Nice and easy. That's it.
If you guys come into St. Gen, make sure you talk to them about joining the flying club. 314-540-0367. Check in with Matt or Bob. They'll let you land here, but they would love your support to help keep this awesome private strip going. So here we are cruising down the strip. Airfield is right behind me, and we're gonna one wheel right into town and check this place out. Oldest settlement west of the Mississippi. Really, really cool place. Feels like you're going back in time. '65. Not even close to the oldest building here. Yeah, and one of the things I like about this little town is, you know, it's country. You feel like you can chill out. Everybody's passionate about their little bed and breakfast or their coffee shop or their tea spot. And, you know, it's just a very different vibe from the big city where you feel like everybody's a bunch of zombies. Nobody wants to say hi or wave. Everybody will talk to you here. I landed at the airport and instantly made about 5 new friends who came out to say what's up, and we're barbecuing and grilling out. So highly recommend you guys stop flying to St. Gen. Check out the runway, talk to Matt Thomas, who takes care of the airport, and support these guys because we don't know how many more grass strips we're gonna have left here in the country with the FAA closing so many strips. So support aviation, get out here, do it big for Ste Genevieve, and have some fun. Guys, here is the beast of the 180 that took us to Ste Genevieve. 69, delivered new to Alton, Illinois. Went to Alaska straight away and was there until 2015. Same owner from 1984 to 2015. Original paint, nothing's hidden, you can see everything, which just makes this thing so cool with that original paint job. And that rare Cessna logo, that penguin logo, whatever it is, only a few models had that. You don't see that very often. But just an incredible airplane, super light, has the small tail, So it still flies more like an early-ish 180, not as light as the 50s version, but definitely lighter than the later 180s and certainly the 185. So we're gonna rip this thing and see what it'll do for a short field takeoff.
All right, guys, we have fired up. About to head back from St. John to downtown. It is a hot day. It's about 3:30. Gotta be 80, 85 degrees today, so it's not gonna be our best short field takeoff, but she'll get the job done. So we'll see what this 180 will do, even on a 85-degree day. And the winds have been variable, mostly a crosswind. Wind is kind of varying out of the west to south to west. So we're going to take off to the south, and we're going to see how short we can take this thing off. But again, it'll probably be double what it would be on a cold winter's day. And we'll say goodbye to our new friends. We had a great cookout. People here at St. John Flying Club, everybody was awesome. Took a couple new friends flying. Awesome people, great town, good food. Highly recommend that y'all come back and scope it out. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's talk. Fairly short, nothing crazy. But she will still climb like a son of a gun. Rip up the river right here. Pretty awesome place to fly, guys. The mighty Mississippi. So I love it. What a great day to fly. Fantastic. Few bumps, couple storms rolling in, but they blew out pretty quick and we had a good day.